Hello, welcome back to Mini Shorts. Today, just going to talk about the jig. So, this is the new jig. It's from Rollover Jigs. Yeah, it's the new design for 2019. I guess the difference is the previous ones used to be a V, 2 legs coming up to this point, whereas this one is just a central post. That's good because it gives me a bit more space to walk through around the car. You can see it's mounted here onto the end of the steering rack mounts, and here through the front bulkhead cross member. That'd be where the towers go for the front subframe, and it's mounted in the boot here onto the parcel shelf. Hopefully you can see that, and then onto the shock absorber mounts at that side. You can see on that side over there. Single large bolt at either end that it rotates on. I was a bit worried it would be maybe not the strongest, but it seems absolutely fine. So, and that there is the same design as the previous models of jig. The other thing to say is it should have casters on it. I do have the casters, but I was worried about how much height I have in the garage, especially when the garage door is up, because it's only about this high when the garage door's up. Cuts into the rate on the tracks here, so I can still rotate it when that is the case. Just checking there's nothing on the car here at the minute. So should be okay to show you guys one quick roll. Just take the pin out. If I just use my reinforcement sort of bars, which I told you about before, I can use that one hand. So if we wanted to work at this angle, we would just lock the pin in. Sorry. Just put the pin in like that, and then it will be stabilised at whatever angle you want to work on. You can see it's just enough room under here for it to rotate. Just pull the pin back out. Finish the rotation for you. I'm going to put you down. And there she is, back the right way. Turn her upside down again, because I need to carry on working on what I was working on. And there you go. That's the end of this mini short, bit longer than it should be. I forgot to start with a 25, so here's one to finish.